Inspiration from Don Bosco. In the spring of 1980, a Salesian brother called Maurice Nicholson was summoned to create the environs for a Don Bosco in the capital city. Housed at the Don Bosco Technical Institute with a few tents on April 9, 1980, 26 teachers and 350 odd students stepped into an airy, tidy corridor for our first assembly. Excelsior translated into evermore and better ever, fashioned in the vision of our patron Saint John Bosco, was our school motto as we began humbly but with vigor. Former head boy Samir Thomas extols our 40 years in this sonnet.
For 40 years. If 40 years could pass and see survive the name and mission of this august school, then surely they will last and further thrive if 40 years should serve to be a rule. And if in 40 years there has not been a single sign of ruin or decay, then surely it will still be known and seen when past will be its pupils here today. In times like these, when viruses abound and students and their teachers stay confined at home through online sight and online sound, the spirit of this school still stays defined. Don Bosco, evermore and better ever. Alaknanda, flawless, here forever.
Salesians who contributed. Over 4 decades, we graduated from tents to a magnificent school building designed by architect extraordinaire Brit Sharma and executed in precision by brother Isaac. We moved to Alaknanda in 1984. Blessed by the brilliant Archbishop Angelo Fernandez, our principals in the following years each took a leaf out of the life of St. John Bosco to create an odyssey that blended learning and leaning on qualities of integrity and service for a new educative anthology built on the family spirit. Our students from all walks of life, students who matched and measured their own skills to build their own litany of legacies, either walked or cycled or came in different modes of transport to school. From exciting sports days to annual days to celebrating Independence Day to hushed, deeply stirring morning assemblies, we grew within the artistic signature of an orbit of excellence. If teachers were beacons of encouragement and perfection, Bosconians found their own islands of panache and passion. Moving towards a productive future. Standing tall in a capital city that invites competitive advantage, Bosconians have rooted for their own travelogues of intensely crafted dictums of brilliance. Our building is our citadel. It is our oasis of splendor and strength. Our school anthem, composed by our own English teacher, refreshes the spirit of the eagle that soars. Past pupil and valedictorian Kartik Shukla creates his sonnet in the mirror of the past. Indeed, we are over the years a tapestry of many gifts, one spirit.
है नमन उनको जिन्होंने किया है मेरा श्रृंगार, पाल पोसकर किया जिन्होंने हर दम मेरा रूप निखार। बढ़ता ही गया चलता ही गया हर वर्ष नए रंगों के साथ, कितने सपने साकार हुए, कितनी कलियां फिर पुष्प बनी। उन कलियों और पुष्पों से पाता ही रहा मैं प्रेम अपार। गलियारे की किलकारियों में, मैदान की भागम भाग में, मैं खुद भी हिस्सा लेता हूं और जी भर के जी लेता हूं। जब जब लाते हो पुरस्कार, मेरा सम्मान बढ़ाते हो। मस्तक गर्व से भर जाता है, दिल गदगद गद हो जाता है। मैं फिर से नए कलेवर में तुम सबकी राहें तकता हूं। उन पदचापों को सुनने को मैं मन ही मन थिरकता हूं। सदा प्रयत्नरत रहूं मैं, बस इतनी सी अभिलाषा है। आने वाले कल में भी मैं तुम सबका भाग्य बनाऊंगा। हरदम साथ निभाऊंगा और छोड़कर कभी ना जाऊंगा।
Ever more and better ever, that's what we pray for each day. As we start with prayers of mornings, filled with goodness, hope and cheer, we thank the good Lord for the morning. His pleasure streams out to us here. We thank Him for all that we are learning of wondrous places far or near. Ever more and better ever, we pray for our alma mater, as she looks down on us and smiles, encouraging us as we strive higher and higher. Ever more and better ever, we pray for a well-loved banner and hope as our school days are ended. Our motto with our lives may be blended. Ever more and better ever, that's what we pray for each day. As we start with prayers of mornings, filled with goodness, hope and cheer.